Ntate Modimo wa rona ra leboha ka mpho e kgolo, mpho ya bophelo.
I develop software, I develop technology, networking, marangrang, brief. She's like, okay, so what do you do? I'm like, I just answered you. What is this?
Pageant queen, and of course it's going to set so many examples for many, because it did for me, and I'm an example for that, your mentee. This is yet another big win.
A married couple, we don't have secrets. So how your secret, or don't tell anyone? I'm not anyone. So I give anyone, and I'm here.
So, if there's anything that I can do to make sure that other young women are thriving in this industry, then I'll do it. I'm a lover of writing. One thing my mom didn't mention is that I always wrote her letters. If I'm feeling something and it's like really heavy on my heart, I'm gonna write you a letter. Trust me, I will write you 3 pages with my hands. I will not type it, even in this day and age of technology. With all the work that I do at Mestech, a technology company, we still have trouble where I'm asked all the time, and that's just who I am, because that's, that's how I thrive, that's how I function. Anyway, so I think that our industry in our country and the world at large needs a resource that helps us to thrive in pageantry and to be able to win, because every young person wants to win in everything that they try and they go for. I also wrote it because I think that there are aspects of the pageant industry that are not paid attention to, like our mental health. Nobody thinks about that aspect, and it's there. The first thing that one will say, Hauri, if you're a pageant queen and then you say, I feel so under pressure, I feel like this industry is putting me under so much spotlight or this and that. The first thing is, then why are you doing it? But if you say that about your day-to-day job, nobody's going to say, then why are you doing it? What they will say is, why is nobody saying staging when you are feeling some type of way about being a pageant queen? So if we want that value for our industry, then we need to create it. Otherwise, I think So I want to Kopa, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Sports, Arts and Culture to join me on stage to help with the unveiling. So the book is, we have copies of the book there. It goes for 300 manut when you buy it, but here it's discounted for just today for 250 manut. I urge you to buy it. It's a great resource. Minister of Tourism, Sports, Arts and Culture to help us unveil the cover of Pageant Compass, the first pageant winning manual to come out of our beautiful country. That has been written by yours truly. And I am so happy. I just want to say thank you so much for coming, for creating time out of your busy schedule to come here and be with us. So from here, I'm going to give you the mic to please say a few words, and then we can do the book reading, and then ciao, ciao, ciao. 5, 4, 3, 2,
It is both a great honor and a deep privilege for me to stand before you today on behalf of Government of Lesotho to congratulate one of our own, a beacon of grace, purpose and entrepreneurial excellency, Mrs. Mojabeng Senegal Ndebele, on the launch of Pageant Compass magazine.